how to connect Bluetooth devices on your Mac. The process is very simple. You need to go to settings. To go to settings, you can just go to the dock. And once you're in dock, here you can see in the sidebar, we have multiple options. The second of which is Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth. In Bluetooth, you can see it is automatically looking for devices. Now, my device is not showing up. I'll make my device visible. So as you can see, my headphones have popped up and then I'm going to click on connect. Once they are connected, you can also see their battery percentage, and if you want to disconnect, the button is right there. If I go to the I button, here you can see you can rename the device. Let's say my headphones. Before hitting done, you can see the device type has automatically been recognized, and then you can click on done. So my headphones are currently connected. But if I go to Action Center, here you can see in Action Center I have Bluetooth. If I click on Bluetooth, my headphones are already connected. If I want to disconnect, I just have to tap on them and then they are disconnected. I can also turn Bluetooth on and off from right over here from the Action Center, which also in turn turns off the AirDrop. If I turn them back on and if I open it, now already paired devices will show up in this shortcut. If I click on it again, here you can see it is connected, the white, and it is also going to show the battery. Now the UI in macOS Tahoe is somewhat like this. Now this is customized according to my liking. Your icons may vary. Again, your icons may also vary according to the OS that you are running. If I go to settings, system settings have not really changed. If I go to Bluetooth, again the settings are fairly same. The UI has changed a bit, but otherwise it is more or less the same. So that is about it. You don't need to do much. It's very easy. Hopefully this video has been helpful. Do make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.